How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Dad Bod Garage. Today we are working on project car. Now, where we left off, we needed a whole front clip for this guy. Now, what we got was the perfect donor car. This is the same year, make, model. This is a two-door instead. Everything I need is minty. Everything up here. So I picked up this car local for a steal because I was told there's a transmission problem with it. It drove up and down on the trailer for me, so I can't imagine it's too bad. So I guess first things first, today, let's get some lights on. So the first thing we're going to get into today, we're going to figure out where this oil is leaking from. Bingo. Alright, so we got to get the battery out of this guy, put it in the other one. So now, the million-dollar question is, will this one start? Okay. Yep. Alright, now that we got her all pressure washed, we're going to let this dry out in the sun a little bit while we clean up the garage and get ready to start scabbing apart the other car. Alright guys, so I already made you sit through one entire disassembly video, so I'm not going to make you do it twice, but we're going to try to make a cool montage out of this. We're going to start a time lapse now. Alright guys, so that's about a wrap for the disassembly here. As you can see, we've really tore into it. We got it to the same exact state as the other one. Let's go ahead. We're going to swap the cars around. I'm going to pull the hood off of this one, pull the hood off of the other one, swap them around, and then we could park this one, throw a cover on it, and be done with it. So let's get this one buttoned up and out of the garage.
You know every day's a grind day. 120 on the highway. You know every day's a grind day. 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every 120 on the highway. You know every day's a grind day. 120 on the highway. You know every day's a grind day. 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every day's a grind day. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every 120 on the highway.
Not the cleanest body lines I've ever seen, but it'll do the job for right now. Alright. That's awesome. Let's put her down. Alright, we got her all back together. We're going to go ahead and fill up the coolant now. I got the specific European vehicle coolant for Volkswagens 2006 and up. Shit's expensive for no good reason. So let's start her up and get some of the coolant going for the first time. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's episode. That is rebuilding a Volkswagen wrecked Rabbit in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!